Here is the Soundcore Life Q20 headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense smart TV. This is the Hisense TV with Android TV. First thing is go to the settings on your Hisense TV. If you have a remote like this, you can click on the settings, the gear icon right there. If not, you can just navigate. Go to the home page, click on the home button, and then you can navigate to the top right hand side to that gear icon. Move over to the right there, settings, gear icon. Okay on the remotes. Now from here we're going to go down to remotes and accessories at the very bottom. Click on that, and then we're going to tap on the first one. It says add accessory. Let's click on that, and now that line right there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. So let's hurry up and put these into pairing mode. These are currently off, okay, and I have a power button right here. Let me turn these on first, and let's see if it goes into pairing mode right away. We'll know it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue. Okay, I get a solid blue light right there. It's blue, it's not white, and then it goes off. I get no blue blinking light. That's because I think it's connected to my phone. So for myself, let me turn these off first. Let me press and hold this power button for a few seconds. Okay, now they're turning off. Now they're off. Now for me, I'm going to press and hold that power button. I'm going to keep holding till I get a blue blinking light there. Okay, so power button here, ready, press and hold. Keep holding, wait. It's turning on now. Now where's the blue blinking light? Blue, blue, blue. Okay, it's blinking blue. I don't know why it looks white on the camera, but it's in pairing mode. It's blinking blue. Now we just got it. It's still searching, and it already found it. You got the Soundcore Life Q20 right there. So I'm going to go down there, select it. It says pairing. I think we'll get a pairing request here shortly. Get a pairing request here. Make sure pair is highlighted. Click on OK on the remote. And voila, we're connected. You can see the Soundcore Life at the very bottom there. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the description below.